blood and bone, heart and home. Jam music. From the first drum knock I answer the call. Stand firm in the fire, still I not crawl. Them off how we glitter, but rust in the skies. I sight through the glamour, I watch with wise eyes. No compromise, I chant true. Let Babylon criticize. I won't bend, I won't apologize. Roots in my soul, Jah in my eyes. Jah music. Them always sing foolishness, hype up the war, dress up the vanity, sell it like star. But I can't betray the youths in the street, so I lift up justice in every heartbeat. Jah music, no compromise. I chant true, let Babylon criticize. I won't bend, I won't apologize. Roots in my soul, Jah in my eyes. Jah music, no compromise. If it no heal, it can't touch this mind. If it no free, it can't ride this vibe. If it no right, it can't claim this stage. I sign with the Most High, not a man-made wage. Jah music, no compromise. I chant true, let Babylon criticize. I won't bend, I won't apologize. Roots in my soul, Jah in my eyes. Jah music, no compromise. From the street to the hills, let the righteous rise. One song, one word, Jah music, no compromise. never fade. Even when the sky turned gray, got my feet on the rocky way. Jah love always stays, even when my faith feel afraid. Hold me firm when I go astray. Jah light never fade. My fears in a little bag, left them by the riverside. All of those voices dragging me back, I watched them float out with the tide. Footsteps heavy on an old dry road, heart still hiding in a cage. But something whispered deep and low, you're not your worry, you're not your rage. This is the exodus of the soul, walking out of that captive mind, breaking every hidden chain I hold, leaving my shadow far behind. I am a pilgrim in my own heart, crossing the desert made of lies. This is the exodus of the soul, till the truth is in my eyes, in my eyes. Oh, in my eyes. I used to bow to the doubt inside, pray to the stories I was told, built my house in another man's pride, sleeping in a bed of cold. Now every breath is a little step away from what kept me small. I lose a burden with every tear, and I rise a little more tall. Oh, I rise. This is the exodus of the soul, walking out of that captive mind, breaking every hidden chain I hold, leaving my shadow far behind. I am a pilgrim in my own heart, crossing a desert made of lies. This is the exodus of the soul, till the truth is in my eyes. Who told you you were worthless? Who sold you that heavy name? Wash it off in living water, let the river carry that shame. Every scar is a secret doorway, every wound is a waking call. Love is waiting at the border saying, child, come home at last. This is the exodus of the soul, walking out of that captive mind, breaking every hidden chain I hold, leaving my shadow far behind. I am a pilgrim in my own heart, crossing a desert made of lies. This is the exodus of the soul, till the light is in my eyes. Oh, exodus. Oh, exodus. Oh, exodus. Truth in our talk, we have to burn it down. No, 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 no. But I sight the veil lifting when the drums start to roll. One heartbeat, one chanting, revolution of soul. We are born on Babylon systems with love, with love. We are tear down Babylon wisdom. It rough, but job of stand firm, every daughter, every son, unity and righteousness. Watch the chains come undone. No iron bars can hold a free mind. No bloody crown can stop your time. When the people rise like morning sun, all them shadow power have to run, oh yeah, oh yeah. We are born down Babylon systems with love, with love. We are tear down Babylon wisdom. It rough, but job of stand firm, every daughter, every son, unity and righteousness. Watch the chains come undone. Fire now we are, fire till the end. Babylon a crumble, your people rise again. Nah, nah, nah. Fire now we are, fire now they are, fire now we stand. Oh, baby now we die. on the ground, hard on the sound. Ancient drums speak, people rise and mount. Oh, yeah. Oh, when build up war, we build up prayer. Barefoot on the heart, rough stair, chain pan mind, but soul still free. Lion in a heart, roar quietly. Them take the land, them take the bread, them take the book, twist every word said. But mama still hum that feeling sound. Pot still bubble, fire still warm. Fire chant for the oppressed, fire burn, desert high, on wickedness. Shoulder to shoulder, we confess. Justice must come, we not accept less. Holy line, we no retreat. Stand firm, every drum beat, shake them seat. Unity, faith in our chest. Fire chant for the oppressed. Youth in the lane, dust in a lung. Sirens are red, elders stay young. Eyes them red, but hope still bright. Right evolution in the candlelight. Babylon loud, but truth more clear. Whisper in a breeze, reach every ear. From gully to mountain, one decree. If one no free, then none no free. Fire chant for the oppressed, fire burn, blaze it high upon wickedness. Shoulder to shoulder, we confess. Justice must come, we not accept less. Holy line, we no retreat. Stand firm, every drum beat, shake them seat. Unity, faith in our chest. Fire chant for the oppressed. Hey, call out the name of justice. Hey, call out the name of love. Call out the ancient promise. Thunder answer from above. Ash to ash, but truth remain. Out of dry ground, life again. We sing one word over pain. Freedom, freedom, freedom. Fire chant for the oppressed. Fire burn, blaze it high upon wickedness. Shoulder to shoulder, we confess. Justice must come, we not accept less. Holy line, we no retreat. Stand firm, every drum beat, shake them seat. Unity, faith in our chest. Fire chant my shock turn castle for my daughter and son. We bend, we bleed, but we not let go. Heart still beat like an ancient drum. This is the freedom cry from the ghetto. We're still arise, still arise, we're still a come. Oh. Old man sit by the corner, selling sweets from a wooden crate. Say he lost 3 boys to the hunger and 1 more boy to the hate. But his eyes still bright like a candle when he talk about the days to come. Plant your seed in the struggle, you watch it grow when the rain finally comes. Oh, this is the freedom cry from the ghetto, from zinc-proof rain to the rising sun. Carry me, Jah, through the shadow till my shock turn castle for my daughter and son. We bend, we bleed, but we not let go. Heart still beat like an ancient drum. This is the freedom cry from the ghetto. We still alive, we still a go. Some days I feel like giving in. When the light bill knock and the rent run in. Oh yeah. But I hear my people chanting low. We more than despair, we know. So I lift my head to the smoky sky, say, watch me now, watch me try. If all I own is this one last song, I go sing it till these chains come off. Hey, this is the freedom cry from the ghetto, from zinc-roof rain to the rising sun. Carry me, Jah, through the shadow till my shock turn castle for my daughter and son. We bend, we bleed, but we not let go. Heart still beat like an ancient drum. This is the freedom cry from the ghetto. We're still alright, we're still a come. Right. Early morning rain. Oh, 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 oh. Mist on the hills, dew on the ground. First bird calling, sweet, sacred sound. Cool breeze blessing my tired skin. Old pain exhale, new breath in. Lion chant at daybreak, I am strong, I am awake. From the roots my spirit grows, like the sun my fire glows. Oh, lion chant at daybreak, every chain inside me break. In the light I stand tall, love around me, fear fall. Children laughing by the red earth road, grandma humming ancient chord, herbs in the the sun, my fire glow. Oh, lion chant at daybreak. Every chain inside me break. In the light I stand tall. Love around me, fear fall. Oh, Jah. I give thanks for another dawn. Shadow fade away, new heart born. Step by step on this blessed ground. Every footfall, one pure sound. Whoa. Lion chant at daybreak. I am strong, I am awake. From the roots my spirit grows. Like the sun, my fire glows. Oh, lion chant at daybreak. Every chain inside me break. In the light I stand tall. Love around me, fear fall. talk low, I overstand. Storm in the sea, not in the sand. Word come quiet, cut like flame. Call your secret by its name. Prophecy in the baseline, true step steady, keeping time. Every heartbeat say a line, justice rise, right on time. Prophecy in the baseline, old door crack, new sunshine. You can bend it, but it's fine. Straight again, every time. Your face can't hide your eyes. Weight of your greed, bend down the sky. Stone that you cast, mark where you fall. Echo of love, I'll live you all. Prophecy in the baseline, true step steady, keeping time. Every heartbeat say a line, justice rise, right on time. Prophecy in the baseline, old door crack, new sunshine. You can bend it, but this spine straight again, every time. You can hush my mouth, can't hush the ground. Root hear the vow, carry the sound. When the last life fade into dust, only the living word stand up. Prophecy in the baseline, truth step steady, keeping time. Every heartbeat say a line, justice rise, right on time. Prophecy in the baseline, old door crack, new sunshine. You can bend it, but this spine straight again, every time. Every time. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. From the dust of the morning to the heat of the midday sun, I see the story in your banner. Every color speak as one. Red is the blood of the ancients, gold is the wealth they stole. Green is the heart of a homeland, calling back my soul. Red, red, gold, green revelation, open up my eyes. From the four winds of creation, hear the children rise. Red, red, gold, green meditation, burning clean and high. Africa live in my heartbeat, Zion in my mind. Oh yeah. Lion print on the fabric, crown on the humble head. Herbs in the clay pipe rising, prayer in the words I said. Drums from the village memory, echoing foreign streets. Every step I'm walking exile, still I move in peace. Oh, red, gold, green revelation, open up my eyes. From the four winds of creation, hear the children rise. Red, gold, green meditation, burning clean and high. I sit and listen for your word, in the rustle of the herbs and the birds. Dust on my old King James, lines marked up with your name. Fire in my little clay bowl, slow burn, but it cleaned my soul. Ooh, roots of the lion's truth run deep in I and I. Storm come, still I stand under just sky. Heart like the lion loose, chains fall from my mind. Hey, I trod in the ancient way, straight through time. They sell glitter in Babylon, pretty lie on every tongue, but I feel drum in our chest, call me back to righteousness. Elders chant round the fireside, tell story about the Most High. I see strength in their wrinkled hands, same strength lifter when I can't stand. Hey, oh. Roots of the lion's truth run deep in I and I. Storm come, still I stand under just sky. Heart like the lion loose, chains fall from my mind. Hey, I trod in the ancient way, straight through time. Through time. When the wicked talk loud, I answer with silence. When the system bring war, I answer with guidance. Humble as the lamb, but the lion inside roar. Jah light in I not fear them anymore. Roots of the lion's truth run deep in I and I. Storm come, still I stand under just sky. Heart like the lion loose, chains fall from my mind. Oh yeah, I trod in the ancient way, straight through time. Through time. plan away. Clouds drift like an old hymn slow. I breathe deep try to find a face. Every season have a time. Jah put calm inside this life of mine. Roots meditation under the quiet sun. Heartbeat easy when the day is done. I rest in your creation, body, soul, and mind. In this field of mercy, sweetest rest I find. On the ground, but the heart stay tender. Hands in the air, but the mind remember. Grandmother humming that freedom song. Say walk, my child, but you walk headstrong. Soul rebels still marching step by step. We carry on, turn that sorrow into planting. Love the weapon that we draw. Soul rebels still marching, drum of justice in the chest. We will bend but never breaking, till every child can truly rest. Chains in the story, but the page still turning. Oh yeah. Ash in the wind, but the fire still burning. Oh man. They build high walls, we grow higher trees. Roots hold tight when the storm kick breeze. So rebels still marching step by step. We carry on, turn that sorrow into planting. Love the weapon that we draw. So rebels still marching, drum of justice in the chest. We will bend but never breaking, till every child can truly rest. We chant for the wounded, oh yeah. We chant for the gone, oh yeah. We chant for the voiceless, oh yeah. Till the weak stand strong, oh yeah. We lift up the outcast, oh yeah. We break every lie. If they try stop the river, we rise like the tide. Oh, so rebels still marching step by step. We carry on, turn that sorrow into planting. Love the weapon that we draw. So rebels still marching, drum of justice in the chest. We will bend but never breaking, till every child can truly rest. the sufferer's road to Zion. Slow step, heavy heart, still I'm trying. Every stone, every thorn, every line. Jah light the head, so I keep on, keep on, yeah. Babylon pressure weigh me every day. Line at the station, waiting for small pay. Mama keep praying, name me one by one. Say, child, hold steady, morning must come. This is the sufferer's road to Zion. Slow step, heavy heart, still I'm trying. Every stone, every thorn, every lion. Jah light the head, so I keep on, keep on, yeah. If I stumble, if I fall to my knees, Jah hand lift me through the dust, through the grief. If I'm empty and my hope running low, still I whisper, you lead, I follow. This is the sufferer's road to Zion. Slow step, heavy heart, still I'm trying. Every stone, every thorn, every line. Jah light the head, so